Okay, so what I'm going to show you guys today is how to make a braided casting leader. Okay. So what you've got is your braid that you're going to be using. You need quite a big sewing needle. You start off by threading the sewing needle like so. Then you have a piece of about 15-20 centimeters through the needle. Then about a needle's length down, what you do is you press. The braids are usually round and difficult to spike with the needle without flattening them first. Okay, press down with your fingernail, flattens the braid out, and you can spike it straight through. So you do about 14 stitches. Should be enough. Move those to the top of the needle. Now where your loop is, make sure that your loop is the size that you want it. So what I do is put 2 fingers in there and I keep it there for the rest of the process so the loop doesn't get too small. You feed the threads up. What you can do is to take a pair of pliers and pull the needle through along with the tag end. I'm not using pliers here. Okay, pull the needle through. Pull the needle through. So there, you've pulled the needle through, keeping your 2 fingers in the loop. You gently pull the threads down, and that's it, you're done. All that's left is to cut off the tag end. So there you've got a stitched braid leader, 14 stitches along there with a loop that you can attach to your main line. So the finished product looks like that. I use a 4-meter braid leader. Gives you enough to put about a few loops on your reel so that you can cast off the leader and not off your main line. Okay, so now we need to attach this braid leader to our main line. So what we do, we've made a bimini twist in the mainline braid, okay, with a small loop. You take the loop of the bimini coming from your reel and you pop it through the loop of the braid leader. Okay, like that. Now we take the leader through the loop once, around one leg of the bimini, twice, 3 times, 4, 5 times. Good enough. Hold on to the knot there, pull it up, help the knot along a bit. Pull it up really tight. And that's your modified cat's paw. Modified cat's paw knot is so small, you can hardly see it. Tiny little knot. Okay, so that's, you can cast through your guides, no problem. You won't even feel it. The orange is the main line, the green is your braided leader. Okay, so we've now got our braid leader. And we need to attach this now to a 1 meter fluorocarbon leader, okay, which is outside the guides, and we can cast with it. On the other end of the braid leader is the modified cat's paw attachment. So what we do with the braid leader is we double the line, then we get our fluoro leader, we line them up, and we do an ordinary uni knot but with 7 wraps. Right, there's your 7 wrap uni. We tighten the knot up. Don't tighten it all the way. Okay, so now we switch the knot around, and in the fluoro we're going to do an ordinary figure of 8 knot. 3 turns in the figure of 8. Make 1 loop around the braid, another loop, make a 3rd loop, then take the tag end and insert it through the back, through the center loop, like that. Then grabbing the center loop along with the braid, you let go with the other hand, thread it out, and there you can see the figure of 8 forming. Pull it up reasonably tight, and then we pull the opposing sides together. Jam it up nice and tight. Then all we do is we cut off the tag ends. And there's your 7-turn uni to a figure of 8. That's what the final knot looks like. Really small, very strong, awesome little knot.